Back you go. No, you're going back there. No, you're not. You're going back. You see what this is? If you wind your window down, it can talk to you. No, you're going back there. You see the sign here? I can't hear you and I don't care anyway, whatever you're saying. You go back. I don't care. And it's going on YouTube and to the police. Can't hear you. Cheers. I put your plates on the video too. Show me the phone again. Show me the phone again and I'll report it. No, you'd have gone to court, mate. Sorry, no, but she'll. No. Yeah, well, don't drive dangerously and risk people's lives. Deal with it. She'll be going to court. She'll go to court. No. Just hush yourself and go to work.
I know what he's making it.
You can go back, you already wasted more time.
He's making it worse. No, she shouldn't be. He's making it worse. He's obstructing. That's illegal. He's obstructing traffic. She will get in trouble, that's her fault, but you're not police, you don't get paid. You don't get paid. Don't try to act like a citizen. Now you're doing a citizen. Are you getting paid? Are you getting paid to do what you're doing? No, you're obstructing.
Just go back.
Do not come near my car like that. Stop pointing your face. Do not come near my car. Do not come near my car. Do not come near my car.
Good morning.
You get paid to do what you're doing.
Now you get to see one in action.
You weirdo.
Sorry? No, she just went the wrong side. Come on, you guys, why are you doing this as well? I've just stopped her, and now you guys are letting the side down. Jeez, man.
Just reverse. Please just reverse.
Thank you.
Just reverse. Just reverse. You're on the wrong side of the road, just reverse. We will solve everything for everyone. Just reverse, please.
Call the police. Lose the ego and go back. Go back. No, I'm not bothered. Every minute you wait here, you lose and I win because you're losing time. Let's make my knees, keep my knees flexed in case she does run into me. You shouldn't be going on the wrong side either.
Does she understand what she's doing?
I think she doesn't care. I think she just doesn't care. Go back. You're right, mate. Yeah, she's just going the wrong side of the road. She'll get taken to court by the police, most likely.
Well done, mate.
Thank you.
Reverse back. Reverse back and go and get in the queue properly. Reverse back and
Come on, go back. Go back. Go back. Come on, back you go. Thank you, thank you.
Did you go the wrong way?
She went the wrong way, that's why I'm tell her to go back. She's not listening to me. Call the police. Go on, call the police.
Reverse, is she?
I don't know. You'd think you'd get a license to be able to reverse, right?
No, let her go, bro.
No, she can go back. She needs to go back.
And you don't go away, I'm going to be a point, I'm a box, I'll push you all over again.
Yes, mate. No, the police are coming. She's going to court anyway. Tell her to go back. She's the one.
Just go back a little bit. You can't go back.
Look, you can't go forward. She can't go forward because she wants to turn. And the reason why, listen, mate, the reason why we stop people doing this is because there's a lot of collisions caused at this junction.
Yeah, we fucking
Yeah, she needs to go back there.
He's a wanker. You move this cunt. He's a wanker, mate. A wanker.
Mate, you've been drinking. Carry on.
So I've been drinking. So what?
Thank you.
He wants to go around out, mate. You fucking toss that.
No, she's in the wrong, mate.
What? I think what they do. You want to go that way? Oh, it's not on to the
The police were here. They left earlier because it was too cold. I have to tell you, I'm going to report you to the police and they will most likely prosecute you and give you 3 points for driving without due care and attention. You really should have made her go back, mate. You really shouldn't have let her go forwards there. You should have made her go back. So we have FL69OCB there. You always know that Crown Estates Paving Commission are going to